Our next stop here in Japan is going to be the Zojoji Temple. It is a Buddhist temple, and they do have 6 shoguns entombed here, as well as many of their family members. So let's go check it out. Nestled at the base of Tokyo Tower, Zojoji Temple offers a unique blend of sacred tradition, peaceful gardens, and striking contrast with Tokyo's modern skyline. As one of the most significant temples in the capital, Zojoji is a must-visit for travelers seeking a deeper connection to Japanese history, spirituality, and architecture. Founded in 1393, Zojoji is the head temple of the Jodo Shu, or Pure Land Buddhist sect in the Kanto region. The temple gained prominence during the Edo period when it became the family temple of the ruling Tokugawa shogunate, one of the most powerful samurai clans in Japanese history. One of the most touching aspects of Zojoji is the row of hundreds of Jizo statues, guardian deities of the souls of children, miscarried or stillborn. Each statue is adorned with a red bib and pinwheel placed lovingly by grieving families and visitors. It's a quiet space for reflection and remembrance. Called care guardian deities of children. They are dedicated for the safety of growth of children and grandchildren, as well as for the memorial service for stillbirth and miscarried children. To protect and keep warm their heads, red hats or red aprons and windmills are provided, and they're dedicated to the guardian deity of children images. Today, Zojoji continues to serve as an active place of worship by also welcoming tourists, photographers, and history enthusiasts from around the world. Zojoji is a temple of Tokugawa shogun's family, together with Tozawan Kinnaji, a Tendai Buddhist temple at Totio-ku in Tokyo. 6 of the 15 Tokugawa shoguns are buried in the grounds of Zoji, such as Hidetada, the 2nd shogun, Inobu, the 6th shogun, Itsugu, the 7th shogun, Ishige, the 7th or 9th shogun, Aoshi, the 12th shogun, and Emoshi, the 14th shogun. Besides Sugugai, Hideta's wife, Oganakata Shikayuin, is Imochi's wife, and 5 other wives, and the successive shogun's children, exemplified by the 3rd shogun's Emitsu's 3rd son, Tokugawa, a lord of Kofu domain, are entombed here. On New Year's Day, one of Tokyo's most popular temples for first shrine visits of the year, During the Obon Festival in August, lanterns are lit in memory of the departed, creating a magical evening scene. Cherry blossom season, which is late March and early April, the temple grounds bloom with sakura, offering beautiful spring photo opportunities. And when you come to visit the temple, if you want to come here to the mausoleum, it will cost you 500 yen to be able to come in here. And they will give you an idea of what is here, as well as a little gift. So it's pretty cool, and great views as well. Now, with the gate behind you, to your right is the 12th shogun, then the 9th shogun, the 7th shogun, and the 2nd shogun. And then in the far left corner, you have the 6th shogun and his wife, then the 14th shogun, and then a wife, and then the shogun's family and relatives are in the first one to your left. Few temples in Japan have such a stunning contrast of eras, ancient Buddhist architectural set against the glowing Tokyo Tower. The juxtaposition of tradition and modernity make Zojoji one of the most photogenic and symbolic spots of the city. So this facility or compound, temple, whatever the correct term for it is huge. So they have a building here. They're restoring a building here. They have buildings all on here. They got the main temple here. They have another over here. And then behind that is the garden where the shoguns are buried. There's a lot of things to do and see here. Zojoji is the final resting place for 6 Tokugawa shoguns, including Tokugawa Hideta and the second shogun. The family tombs located on the temple ground reflect the temple's deep ties to Japan's feudal legacy. If you're searching for a peaceful temple in Tokyo with deep historical roots, spiritual atmosphere, and unmatched urban serene, so whether you're a history buff, a photographer, or a casual traveler, Zojoji offers a serene experience that connects you to the essence of old Tokyo without leaving the city center. So take a moment to light incense, stroll past the Jizo Guardians, and reflect beneath the gaze of Tokyo Tower. Zojoji is more than a destination, it's a window into Japan's soul.